Hi kindergarten friends. Today we are going to need something to write with and a piece of paper. You don't have a piece of paper that looks like this, but that's okay. As long as you get a blank piece of paper, the lesson will work. You're also going to need your bag of pattern blocks. We're going to be doing more work on 2D shapes. So the first thing you're going to need to do is dump out your bag of pattern blocks and you're going to sort them by shape. Okay, these are all my hexagons. I'm going to do all the rhombuses together. I know there's a blue rhombus and a white rhombus, but they're going to go together because even though one is thinner than the other, they're both rhombuses. So these are all going to go with each other. I have lots of rhombuses. Okay. And then I'm going to do, these are the trapezoids. And do you notice that when I'm sorting, I'm making it in a group? So I have my hexagon pile, my rhombus pile, my trapezoid pile. Now I'm going to do my triangles next, and then my squares. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'm going to count each group so I can figure out how many of each shape there is. So I'm going to start with my square. So on your piece of paper, just draw the shape that you're counting. I'm doing the square, so I'm going to try and make all the sides the same. There's 4 sides, and then I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next easiest for me to draw is the triangle, so I'm going to do that one next. I'm going to draw my triangle, and I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, that one has 6 too. Oh, I think I'm going to challenge myself and do my rhombus pile. And if you want to make 2 different rhombus piles, that's okay too. But I'm going to do all my rhombuses together. So I'm going to draw my best rhombus. The lines are diagonal, but it has 4 sides and 4 corners. I'm going to count. Okay, I think there's a lot, so I'm going to make groups of 10 to help me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one group of 10. Let me count this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is one group of 10 and my second group of 10. I'm using a counting strategy. I'm going to count by 10s first and then count on. If this is hard for you to do, you can just count by 1. So I can go 10, 20, because they both had 10 in it. So watch again. 10, 20, then I'm going to count on 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So my rhombuses have 25. Okay. Next, I'm going to do my trapezoids. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to draw my best trapezoids. Okay. So the trapezoid has a small line on the top, long line on the bottom, and then 2 diagonal lines. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'm going to write 11. And then my last shape is the hexagons. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'll write the number 7. And hexagon is tricky for me to draw, but I know it has 6 sides, so I'm going to just try my best. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's my best hexagon. So we sorted our shapes first. We drew each shape and then we counted how many shapes there was in each group. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to challenge you. I want to put these numbers in order from the least to the most, or the smallest number to the biggest number. So if I take a look at these numbers, I notice that 6 is my smallest number and I have 2 of them. So I'm going to do 2 6s. I'm going to check them off just so I know that I already put the 6 down on the bottom. Then, what's my next number? I see a 7 next. So that's gonna be my next biggest number. I'm gonna check that one off, and then I only have 2 more numbers left. I know 11 is in the teen family and 25 is in the 20s family. So 11 is next, which means my biggest number is 25. I hope you had fun sorting your shapes, counting, and putting them in order today. I will see you later. Adios, amigos. Bye-bye.